Hello everyone. So the question given is, let a comma b and lambda be positive real numbers. Suppose p is an end point of the latest rectum of the parabola y squared equals to 4 lambda x, and suppose the ellipse x square upon e square plus y square upon b square equals to 1 passes through the point p. If the tangents to the parabola and the ellipse are... Now the answer is option A. Solution is, the figure will be like this: p of lambda comma 2 lambda y squared equals to 4 lambda x, which implies that dy by dx of a equals to 1, which is equals to m1. Let this be equation number 1. Now ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1 passes through p. Therefore lambda square upon a square plus 4 lambda square upon b square equals to 1, which implies that dy by dx at point A equals to minus b square upon 2a square, which is equals to m2. Therefore 2 lambda upon 2 lambda into x minus lambda upon a square into b square upon 2 lambda equals to minus 1. Let this be equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 we get m1 into m2 equals to minus 1, which implies that b square equals to 2a square. Now a square upon b square equals to 1 by 2. For eccentricity of ellipse, E equals to under root of 1 minus a square upon b square, which is equals to under root of 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 by root 2.